for a long time I'm not using it. So I had idea making my DIY project using my old monitor. We might not be able to see from here, but I will be showing in the next video probably. Yes, I'm sure you will be seeing it. Welcome. Welcome back. I really don't believe it's going to work. Let's try and see. What can you use in our project? I'll find out. Don't worry. Yeah? Stay tuned in the next video. Oh yeah. One last time. Is it? Yoo-hoo! Hello! Welcome back. Since I made my upgrade from Fire Stick to Fire Stick 4K, I stopped using my old Fire Stick. So I had an idea that maybe I should buy a converter. And I bought this converter. It came, oh my god, this came from September 2020. We are in March 2021. And it's been piling there for a long time. Alright, this converter has HDMI female to VGA male with an audio adapter. So we'll be using it to connect this Fire TV and the screen that they have behind me, and try to make it work. And maybe with Bluetooth, maybe we will be needing a speaker. Yeah, we have a speaker, so we can use it. We'll see how it's going to be. I'll be opening it right now so you can see what it contains inside, and maybe, just maybe, it will be working. Let's see if you are lucky enough. I'll be opening. Let me see. I'm going to do that. Alright. What we got here? And if you can see from there. Oh, wait a minute. I still got the power. This is what we got there. I don't know if you can see properly. Yeah. Here's the converter. Then we have the audio jack. Yeah. But I intend to use the speaker and try to see if we can do it the Bluetooth. Yes, as you know, the firetv stick has a enabled Bluetooth. So let's see if we can make it work with the Bluetooth. Otherwise, we'll be using the adapter. Yeah. Okay. Let's open it so we can see what's inside. Ooh. Guess what I have here? Come on, you already saw it. Okay. Let me see the length of this little adapter. Yeah, it's meant to be just very small place, and as you can see here, this is the part that we're going to connect to our screen. You have the VGA output that's going to connect to our screen. This side you have where you're going to connect to your Fire TV, you can see here, and you have the audio output from here, but I don't believe that it will be working with audio. Could be, but let's see. I would like to put it working with Bluetooth. Let's see how lucky it will be. And you have these small screws, you can see. So this is going to be connected to the monitor. Let's see how it's going to be, if it's going to work properly or not. every single commentary that I saw on the internet is saying the same thing. It doesn't work with the Fire Stick, but I still want to try just to see if I'm going to be lucky or not. Maybe not. Let's find out. Okay, what I need. Probably going to use this speaker. The whole monitor. Cable to connect. HDMI. Very well. Audio connector. Probably you can see here where you can connect directly. I don't think it's going to work. Everybody's saying the same on internet. So let me see if you are working. And place there. So we can. Okay, one side. Another side. It's taking time. Big struggle. Okay, I think I got it right. Yeah. As you can see here, the adapter is connected right now. So, what I need, I would like to use the Bluetooth, but I don't think it's going to work anyway. Connected. Our Fire Stick. This is just an adapter. Our Fire Stick. Okay, they're connected right there. Okay, put it here. And we need to connect our Fire Stick to the lights. Where are you? We need the energy. Alright. Let me take it back. And you are here. I saw you before. I know you. I know who you are. Let's connect the monitor and see. Alright. Now we have everything connected, but I don't think it's going to work anyway. Oh, out of range it says. Everything connected. You can see here. Everything has been connected and it's not working. See? Okay. If you are thinking to do something like this, think twice, because as you can see here, it didn't work. May I say, it doesn't work. Yeah. Everything is connected. Everything. Can say it properly. Out of range. Meantime, if I disconnect the Fire Stick, what are you going to say? Oh, signal detected. Really? Failed project. Try again. Maybe. Nah, waste of time. What can I do? I won't give up. I will try another thing. That's a good idea. I'm going to do a series of try and fail with this project and see if I can go and make it work. I don't know how, but anyway, I will keep trying. Nah, I give up. Joking, no way. The monitor is still working. I don't want to throw it away. So, was intending to do this DIY project to see if it's going to work or not. As you can see, it didn't work. Anyway, I'm looking for solutions. So, you can do one thing for me. Write in the comment section, write what you think about this and how I can fix it, or what I can do with the monitor. I don't want to use it as a computer, I want to use it as a Fire Stick. So find a solution, write in the comments, I will try, then I might film it and make a video so I can let you see after. What do you think? Let me know. Okay, if you like this video, do me a favor, press the like button. Otherwise, if you didn't like it, I give you permission. Press the dislike button. I was joking. No. Bye. Take two. Oh gosh, I'm getting used to this. I'm liking it. Please, don't do it home. Okay, one failed project, but I don't give up. No way. I have another idea. You can give him a chance.